Where you at?
Bill's right there, bro.
I'm right here.
Oh,
Hey, yo. Where you at?
I'm about to slap on them.
I'm on a different time. I'm spitting a different line. My old just had a kid. I told her I wish it was my rap, but I'm spitting different rhymes. I just let my favorite hoe go. That is a no. If I gotta slide, let the bros know. You be better.
I'm really about to wow out. Like I'm hyped for real now. Like I'm really like that for real. Like Hollow really think he. I don't like how they playing on my nigga Red Top either. I don't like that on my mother. We gonna see tomorrow. I don't like that shit on
Shooter
my
and
mother.
the driver.
Right, nigga, New Jersey Drive, shooting the driver, nigga, shit rocking, nigga. And them niggas not even really friends. Me and O'Reilly from the same neighborhood. Fuck you talking about, nigga? O'Reilly lived down the block from me. O'Reilly went to school with my baby mama, nigga. What you talking about, nigga? That nigga's crazy, nigga.
We've been waiting on this matchup, man. Why?
That's
Come
my man for
on.
real, though.
Nigga, we've been waiting on
All
this.
my friends, his friends, bro.
You and O-Red, nigga, we've been waiting on this.
Come on, y'all niggas stop playing, man. Who you think I sparred with before all
You see
these
him
battles?
sneaking you, though.
Who you think I sparred with before all these battles?
Fast.
Because I heard them niggas talking about chemistry. Who you think I sparred with?
Them niggas ain't got no chemistry.
That's my
though.
man for real. Who you think
Look,
I'm in the lab with?
Look,
Oh, Lil.
these niggas don't even stand like they got chemistry.
Nah, them niggas might get crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. I can't be fake right now, because I said there was a sleeper match, a sleeper team. I can't be fake, you heard?
He said we about to go crazy.
But yo, hey bro,
man,
dude, why we still here, yo?
Cause I guess you was waiting on that truck to move. That's what you said. I'm talking about, bro. How you feeling, bro?
I'm just hurt.
Huh?
I'm just hurt.
You just here, bro?
Yeah, for now.
Every fucking bar though. Y'all ain't deep. Nah, y'all deep as hell.
Half
bro.
us gone.
Y'all deep as hell. If half of y'all gone and all around here, spread it out.
3. Me, of course. Nitty, well, real name right there. It's like 5 of us.
How you feel about your joint today?
Feel good, man. I have fun and keep it pushing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all.
Who next?
Another day. DG the Piranha.
Geechee or
DG the Piranha. Yeah, I got him next month.
Okay. What league is that?
That's the lock-in.
Shout out. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Shout out to them. Shout out to them. Instagram these. You know what I'm saying? Like you.
B-Magic 53. You already know.
Who had battle of the night over here with these one rounders? Don't be biased. Man, I shouldn't even ask you that.
The battle of the night?
Yeah.
Who battled? Small battle. Who had the 3 rounds?
That was that shocked everybody. It was 3 rounds. Oh, that was True Foe and Ace.
Never mind. Damn, battle of the night.
You don't know. I think EK and JC,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? I think they had really,
Because they
I
was
mean,
the
but y'all
most
shit was crazy too though. But yeah, but because EK different as fuck. But JC different as fuck too, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, he was saying some, and plus he was punching like a motherfucker. Every fucking ball, by the way.
But I know, see, that's why I don't want to talk to you about that, because you every fucking bar too.
I'm not biased, though.